Hello, in this video we are going to see how to pull license report from TrueSight presentation server. Prerequisites: you must install TrueSight presentation server and TrueSight infrastructure management server version 10.7 or later. You must have configured at least one infrastructure management component on the TrueSight console, and your role must be super admin to access the license uses report. To view the license users report, go to the TrueSight console, expand the license uses and click on server endpoints. As you can see, we have the license users report here. We can click on the toolbox and click on export here, and it will give us an option to export either in CSV or PDF form. Now let's check about the license users report details. Talk about the report date. It displays the date and time stamp of the current report run. It talks about the host name and IP address. It displays the name of the infrastructure management host or IP address along with the port number, the tenant which we are using, the operating system, and the component product version. Next is license category. It displays all license categories that are managed under the selected host name. Next is unit. It displays the unit of measurement, server endpoint or instance. Next is current count. It displays the number of license used for each categories on the date of report generation with a clickable link. Next is high count. It displays the highest number of licenses used for each category with a clickable link. For example, this count could be displayed as 100, while the current count as on record date could be just 50. It indicates at least once in the life cycle the highest count of licenses against a particular category had reached up to 100. As you can see here, it says current count as 2, high count as 5, and we can get the details of it. The next is high count date. It displays the date on which the high count was reached. Next we have consumption data report. Here we can pull the report of consumption for month of last month, 3 months, 6 months, 9 months and 12 months. I'll just give us 3 months, then I'll generate the report. As you can see, the report is generated for the month from August to October 2020. It gives the summary of third-party events, data streams, cloud streams and Sentry streams. It talks about highest monthly. This column displays the highest daily average recorded for the report period that you selected before generating the report. For example, for a period from May to July, the daily average of the third-party events of May is 1400, June is 1495 and July is 1370. The value of the highest monthly column display is 1495. The next is self-monitoring offset. This column displays the values of the data that is excluded from the consumption uses calculation. And the next is uses. This column displays the consumption uses of a component for a period that you selected before generating the event. The uses is calculated by subtracting the self-monitoring offset from the highest monthly value. The formula is monthly highest minus self-monitoring offset. If the self-monitoring offset value is higher than the monthly highest value, as you can see here, then the users column displays 0. A negative value is not displayed in the users column. You can again go to the toolbox and click on export to download this report in either CSV or PDF form. You can also check out our other video on how to configure BMC license usage collection utility tool to pull license report from TrueSight. Thank you for watching and have a great day.